How to use Beanvest portfolio app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Beanvest is a smart, user-friendly app that helps investors track, analyze, and improve their stock portfolios. But most beginners treat it like a basic tracker and miss its real power. Here's how to use Beanvest properly. The first mistake is not syncing all your accounts. The more complete your portfolio data, the more accurate your insights. Missing trades or accounts leads to misleading analytics, especially when tracking diversification or sector exposure. Next, don't ignore valuation metrics. Beanvest offers key ratios like P, dividend yield, and fair value estimates. Beginners often overlook them, relying only on past performance. Understanding valuation helps you buy smarter and hold longer. Another mistake: not setting portfolio goals. Whether it's income generation, growth, or balanced returns, defining your goal helps the app tailor recommendations. Pro tip: check the Insights tab weekly. It highlights underperforming stocks, risk concentration, and allocation apps, giving you actionable data, not just numbers. And here's the surprising truth: Beanvest isn't about chasing winners. It's about building a portfolio that's balanced, informed, and aligned with your goals. Used properly, Beanvest transforms you from a casual investor into a confident portfolio manager, one smart decision at a time.